When you receive your ToomeyGlow device, you probably will be set up into the ToomeyGlow customer portal. You'll receive an email letting you know that your account has been set up for you. If you haven't received this email, you'll want to reach out. If you want to add in new users into your portal, you'll go to My Companies, click on your company, and down here you can see the members that are currently in your company, and this is where you'll want to be to add new users as well. To add users, click on Manage and Invite. Here is where you can add the information of the person you would like to add. This is also where you will set permissions. An owner has permissions to see all locations that are set up within. A guest will only have permissions to see the location that they are assigned, and they'll not be able to change any of the data. A location manager can change the data of their location, but will only see the location that they're assigned. So for example, if I click on Location Manager, I can assign them to Oregon and California, but I don't have to assign them to Colorado if I don't want them to be able to see data from that location. To reiterate, an owner will have access to all of those locations, and they'll be able to change the data, whereas Location Manager will only be able to change the data for their location, and a guest will not be able to change anything. There will be more information on that data later on in this tutorial. The ToomeyGlow app allows you to manage multiple locations, track results by site, and assign users accordingly. It also allows you to track results by room so that you can easily see where infection may be located. To do this, go to the Locations tab. Then you can create a new location. Then you will make your new location, and then you can add rooms. Here you can add as many rooms as you would like. Then click Create. Once this is done, you can also go into your existing locations and add rooms here if you need to. You can track and filter results by growth stage. To do this, go to the Growth Stages tab, and here you can enter in the growth stages that you would like to track on. The default stages are the teens veg state, clone, and mother. However, you can also put in your own custom growth stage if you would prefer. Once these are in, you can now enter in that information in Test Builder, and then you will be able to filter on that information in your result history. Building a strain list allows you to filter results by strain. To build your strain list, click on the Strains tab, and then you can create strains. Here you will add in whatever strains you will be testing. You can also add a few strains at a time by continuously clicking the Add Strain button. As you see here, it will tell you if you have already added a strain by that name. A way to bulk add your strain list from a CSV or another document would be to click on the Create Batch, copy and paste your strain list into here from a CSV file or another document. Ensure all your strain names are separated by a break line. This will make sure they're all added as separate entries. When these all look good, go to Create Batch, and your entire strain list will be imported into here. The strain database can be updated at any time and will appear as selectable options when creating tests in your test builder.